up, everybody? My name is Volcano Ghost Gaming, and today we're going to be doing some Sky Wars. Today we're going to be doing some Lucky Block Sky Wars, not just the Sky Wars. We're doing solo Lucky Block Sky Wars. First Sky Wars on the channel. Remember to leave a like and subscribe. Why is my skin Alex? How does this make any sense? Okay? That makes any sense. Maybe my skin will change when I finally get into the lobby. See, now I'm Steve. Thank you very much. Vote on that. Invasion map selected. Huh. I almost fell off the accident. Nice. I really hate to use my only building blocks currently. I'm just getting more lucky blocks. I really don't have an option. You know what I mean? Oh yes, my super lucky block. So I've been playing a lot of games where like you can't use your like offhand. Forgot what the games are. Oh really? I can't jump over iron bars. That's what makes it even more annoying. I see a guy. I flippin' see a guy. Is there any more? But I'm gonna knock this guy out. What? This guy better not come up on me. I feel like this guy's just gonna come up on me. Honestly. Gotta create this doesn't get me to build that stuff. I love building like that, but it's just super risky to do as well. What? How does that work? I'm gonna knock this guy out. This guy thinks a hair's gonna with him. And I don't really have anything to build. I really don't know what to do. That's kind of the problem. But I already set up. Oh! There's a lot of wait, so this also I think I know how this works. So look, now it's just infinite water, so I'm imagining I can do. I gotta get a bucket of water. Oh! Oh, come on, guys. Aw, man. Well, let's see what people do. Let's return to lobby. Yeah, I got bored. Let's play some capture the flag. Huh? Capture the flag. Capture the wool. the capture the flag. Wow, this is OP. We got golden apples. I'm a mind here. You can kind of like hunt for resources in a sense. Like I could like basically like, I don't know, kill a cow. How much wood does a stack of logs give you? I mean, you have to be the first team to get across. Oh no. And so it starts. Gotta build. Okay, you have to. I can't see what's really happening. Wait a minute. I'm really scared of building. Why am I getting slag back? Oh, did you see how close I was? I'll come. I'm so dumb. I need to use my wood wise, my wool wisely. Let me let's get some wood real quick. I have infinity arrows. Let's go. So now we have two. So I'm just going to, like, I don't know, like, build a little wall here. We have to make sure it's impossible to die. If we make it. Oh no, this guy here. But this guy has insane damage. Hey, watch out! He's gonna get the wall. Yes, we got him. I really got nothing. Oh no, they crossed. Okay. Can't let anyone cross that bridge. I fell off because I wasn't crouching. I'm very bad at Minecraft. What is the point of this? I should probably hunt for somewhere for better resources. A chest. Oh! Okay, I'll take this, I'll take this, I'll take this, I'll take this, and this. I have a liver. We have to. Watch out! Oh my God, the people there. Should I eat? I think I should. I'm gonna go in a golden apple because, like, yeah, eat a golden apple. I'm not sure if that worked or not. It didn't work. What the heck? You know, guys, if this video has no commentary, I'll probably leave it because sometimes, like, my mic actually doesn't work in some videos. This is very risky here, and also I'm gonna have to do some. I'm doing some crafting, and I've learned something. Never do crafting on a one block bridge. Like, that's just not, like, if it was 2 blocks and you had like a. I hear fighting. Oh no, I see them. So quickly. Dun. Oh my God, this guy's insanely good at parkour. Dude, do you not notice the guy that's going for a bed? Oh my God. Jesus. Well, that was not in the void. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna have to ditch that guy because really nothing bad's happening. See how fast I can do this because I'm playing on mobile right now. If you notice, if you think I'm playing on something else, then I don't know what to tell you. But I am playing on mobile right now. Oh no, there's like 1,000 people crossing. There's like 1,000 blue players. Okay, that's it. I'm deforming all bridges. You have to. Yep. Oh, you think you're funny, huh? You think you're funny? I might just make this safer. I see you. There's another blue player crossing. Oh, golden apples. Nice. 6. Let's go. Wait, what? Who's killing me? Oh, man. Over there. I'm going to try to kill somebody so that I can get their stuff. Right here. Because I gotta have, I don't like using logs because that's just like a waste of wood. Oh my god, there's like 1,000. Are you kidding me right now? Okay guys, we have to start turning this game around. Like immediately. People crossing the mid. Come on, let's go. Let's kill some people. Let's kill some nubs. I see you. It's out there. Corner left. That's a blue guy. So, you guys, I'm just... Anyway, surviving this. Oh, what? Charge! Who builds like that? Oh, my... This is just not going out of plan. The only thing I worry about is that, like, let's just say I have a lot of stuff and then I die, and then, like, the other team gets... let's just say I've been killing a bunch of people and I have, like, 20 golden apples. Oh, my God! There's, like, 15 million people chasing that guy, and it... Smart. I'll just double layer this. Now I really don't need these doors. We already have stairs. Oh, no, I'm not good at PvP when there's like multiple people. Wait a minute, there's nobody at their base. I just realized this. There's really nobody protecting it. Aw, man. Run! How did that guy get diamond armor? I wonder if there's ores on this map. Like, what if there's like ore? I'm gonna go on that chest and I want to get some of this stuff. Okay, that's it. I'm building like a wall to where, for like I'm just gonna be really annoying. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Peace. We don't need you. Guys, I just thought of a solution. I guess. We'll build a wall. Whoa. Maybe that was the edge. Let's see if there's any stuff here. Ooh, nice. I'm very happy with this stuff. It might not be the best stuff, but it's better than nothing. Oh my god. I can't with this. What the flip? No, I was like, I better not die from fall damage. That guy has like good stuff. Check the guy. Oh my axe. Oh man. Really? People are breaking in at the mid. I feel like it's the Lord of the Rings right now, guys. Like, now, spoiler. Whoever hasn't watched the movie, then this video is definitely not for you. But, yeah, this is like kind of like when like the bad guys are winning. I see you. Oh, I just knocked that guy off the edge. Begin. Attack! Charge! No, just forget it. I said forget it. I surrender. No! Anyways, guys, if we don't win this round, then that's probably gonna wrap it up. Even if we do win, it's gonna wrap it up as well. I'm gonna keep some of these so that I can like cover my tracks just in case like these guys build and also make a wall. Yeah, there's another version where like instead of having golden apples, we have like 12 steak. And there's also another version where like you just grab random stuff from the chest. Someone took the chest. Yeah, we're breaking in here. What stuff is that? Nice. We have some armor. I'm also gonna like oh my god, there's so many people coming. Come on dude. I'm not doing this. What if I knock people off here? Oh no. I'm a troll him so hard. Kill him. Yes, I got it those. And I get good armor. Let's go, boys. Yeah, there's a lot of building blocks. I have 4 out eating like 14,000 of these. I'm gonna become so strong. But these aren't gold. No, you better not come. I'm gonna create cover fire. It should be the other way around though. Ow! Jesus Christ. This is like, oh my god, no. So one more. No! No, that guy had to be hacking. There's no way he. Okay, maybe he like shot him. No, there's no way he would have gotten all those shots. Unless it was, no, there must have been a guy behind me shooting me. Oh, that's good. I have to kill somebody. That's the only way we're gonna win. I have auto jump on. This glass is gonna. I think the silly glass is gonna stop me. Oh yay, iron! I can smell this. Let's try to capture this mid area. Oh, sorry. Come on, come on. Oh my god, they better not be coming here now. I'm gonna smelt this. I'm gonna create my own iron armor. I don't need chests. I don't need other. Like, I'm gonna build a tunnel from here. That was super easy. Bruh. That's... Oh, come on! I think my game's glitched. I think it's gonna wrap up for this video. See you next time, guys.